6 best apps which will help you to make money online. Watch this video till end because you don't want to miss information about this amazing money-making apps. Also, a bonus app is included at the end. So, stick with the video till end because you'll not regret it. Hey there fellow hustlers, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of money-making apps, specifically those that don't involve tedious surveys. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or start a side hustle, these apps will pave the way for a profitable 2023. So, let's get right into it. Before going to the first app, shout out to Kikil Uncle for a lovely comment under the post. If you want shout out, then subscribe to my channel and comment under this video. I'll select a random subscriber in my next video. Anyways, let's get to the video.
The first app of the video is Field Agent. Field Agent is an app that lets you earn money by completing short location-based tasks. These tasks may include taking photos of products in stores, checking prices, or maybe conducting surveys. You can browse available tasks in your area, complete them on your smartphone, and earn money for each completed assignment. It's a straightforward way to earn money while running errands or exploring your neighborhood. To get started with Field Agent, simply download the app and create an account. Once you're signed up, you'll see a list of available tasks in your area. These tasks may involve taking photos of specific products, checking stock levels, or providing feedback on customer service. Each task will have a set of instructions and guidelines for completion.
Second app in our list is Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is an app that offers opportunities for flexible delivery work. As an Amazon Flex driver, you can choose your own schedule and deliver packages to customers using your own vehicle. It's a great option if you have some spare time and want to earn extra income while exploring your city. To get started with Amazon Flex, you'll need to meet certain requirements. These requirements may include having a valid driver's license, being at least 21 years old, having a smartphone with the Amazon Flex app installed, and passing a background check. Amazon Flex is not available on Google Play Store. For Android users, you have to visit their website, and there will be a guide on how to install the Amazon Flex app. It is available on App Store. Moving on, our third app of the list, which is Etsy. If you have a creative side and enjoy making handmade crafts or unique products, Etsy is the go-to app for you. Etsy is a global marketplace where you can open your own online store and sell your handmade items, vintage goods, and craft supplies. With millions of active buyers on the platform, you have the opportunity to reach a wide audience and turn your passion into profit. To get started on Etsy, first you have to download the app from Google Play or App Store. Once downloaded, you'll need to create an account and set up your own shop. This involves choosing a shop name, uploading high-quality product photos, writing engaging descriptions, and setting your prices. You can also customize your shop's appearance to reflect your brand and style.
Moving on, our fourth app, which is Airbnb. You've probably heard of Airbnb, but did you know you can make money by hosting guests? If you have a spare room, apartment, or even an entire house, Airbnb allows you to list your space for travelers to book. By providing a comfortable and welcoming experience, you can earn money through bookings. It's a popular option for those looking to monetize their extra space and meet people from around the world.
To get started on Airbnb, simply download the app, and you'll need to create a host account and set up a listing for your space. This involves providing details about your property, such as its location, size, amenities, and house rules. You can also upload photos to showcase your space and make it more appealing to potential guests.
Our fifth app is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients who are seeking various digital services. The Fiverr app allows you to access the platform and offer your skills and services to a global customer base. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, marketer, or have expertise in other areas, Fiverr offers a platform for you to showcase your talents and earn money by providing services to clients remotely. To get started on Fiverr, download the app, and you'll need to create a seller account and set up your profile. This involves selecting the services you offer, defining your pricing, and showcasing your previous work or portfolio. You can also customize your profile to highlight your skills, experience, and expertise. The best part? I have also used this app and made a good living through it. So give it a go and let me know if it works well for you. Last but not the least, we have PoshMark. For all the fashion enthusiasts out there, PoshMark is a fantastic app to make money from your closet. If you have clothes, shoes, or accessories that you no longer wear, you can list them on PoshMark for sale. Take attractive photos, provide detailed descriptions, and set your desired price. When someone purchases an item, you ship it out, and you receive payment. It's a great way to declutter your wardrobe and earn extra cash.
To get started on PoshMark, download the app from Play Store or App Store. You'll need to create an account and set up your virtual closet. This involves taking high-quality photos of your items, writing engaging descriptions, and setting your selling prices. You can also share details about the condition, size, and brand of the items you're listing.
And these were the 6 apps through which you can make money online. You stayed till the end of the video? Well, good news for you. The bonus app, which I have mentioned earlier about, is GoTranscript. GoTranscript is a transcription app that pays you to transcribe audio and video files. If you have good listening and typing skills, you can join the platform as a transcriber and work on a flexible schedule.
You'll receive audio files to transcribe, and once completed, you earn money based on the length and complexity of the task.
And there you have it, 7 amazing apps that can help you make money in 2023.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content like this one. If you want to know about the websites through which you can make money, then click on the left video. And if you want to know about more apps through which you can make money, then click on the right video. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your money-making journey. This is Charlie Hustle signing out.